Good students, today I will teach you about addition and subtraction. In first case, we know that what is addition. Case first. In addition, there are two forms of the addition. First is known as addend and second is known as sum. And we see the addition, which part is known as addend and which part is known as sum. Okay, here I give you an example. First, 8,374. Okay, and here add 7,424. Add of all 4 plus 4 8, 7 2 9, 4 3 7, 8 7 15. Okay. In this additions, two parts are found. Which part is known as addend and which part is known as sum. Okay. We see here these two parts, 8,374 and 7,424 are known as addend. Okay, and during the addition, which result is found? This found result is known as sum. Okay, thus addend and sum, two parts of the addition. Okay, after this, next, after this, case second, subtraction. In this case, we see that what is subtraction. Okay, subtraction is divided in three parts. Subtraction divided in three parts. First is known as minund. First part is known as minend or known as minund, and second part. First is minund and second is called subtrahend. Okay, and third part is known as difference. Okay, here give an example as 9,384 4 and subtract 3273. Okay. In this case, we observe that which part is known as minund, and which part is known as subtrahend, and which part is known as difference. Okay? In this case, we see that minund, this part is known as a minund, and second part is known as a subtrahend. And here 4 minus 3 beget 1, 8 minus 7 beget 1, 3 minus 2 we get 1, 9 minus 3 we get 6. This part and the result is when subtrahend subtracted from the minund, which result is found is known as a difference. This result is known as difference, and 9384 is the minund, and subtrahend which number is subtracted from the minund is known as subtrahend, and both difference which result from both results which difference is found is known as which result is found is called difference. Okay? When subtrahend subtracted from the minund, which result is found is called difference. Okay, friend? These types of questions you can solve by this method. I give you some homework. Add 9, 3, 8, 7 and here 4, 6, 3 and 8. Add and so addend and sum and subtracted as 8, 4, 5, 3, 1, 4. All parts show. All parts. Okay, student. So these types of questions you show by these methods. Okay, students. Next topic I will teach you tomorrow. Okay, student.